Hello and welcome to The Informative World, and you must be remembering that what we discussed in our previous video. Yes, we discussed about points, we discussed about radius, we discussed about center, we discussed about diameter. So the fixed point which indicates the center of the circle, we also discussed about that. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about new parts of a circle in this video. Now, this is the point. It's a radius. When I extend it, I get a diameter. It's a diameter. Now, can you see this line? Is this a diameter? No, it's not a diameter. Now, is it a radius? No, it's also not a radius. A diameter always passes through the center of the circle. Okay? And it is greater in length, but it's not very much greater in length. It's not like a diameter, because though its endpoints are on the circle, but it is not a diameter. This is because it is not passing from the center. Then it is also not a radius. A radius is always joined from the center, but it is not joined from the center. Now, can you see this line? It's a chord. This line is given a name, chord. Now, it is not a diameter, but it is similar to a diameter. It is not a diameter, but it is similar to a diameter. A diameter is the longest chord of the circle. This is a common chord. A common chord can pass from anywhere. It can pass from here. It can pass from here. It can even pass from here. It can pass from anywhere. But the diameter always passes through the center. Normal chords can pass from anywhere, but the longest chord always passes through the center, which is the diameter. So, a definition for a chord is that any line segment with its endpoints on the circle is known as a chord. So, its endpoints are. So, can you see its endpoints are on the circle? And it is passing from anywhere. It is passing from here. It is passing from here. It can also pass from here. Here. It can pass from anywhere. But a diameter passes through the center only. It can't pass from anywhere. Okay? It is the longest chord of the circle. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now, can you see the boundary of the circle? This is the boundary of the circle. This boundary is also given a name, a special name, circumference. So, circumference, the boundary of the circle is the circumference of the circle. Circumference. Okay? The boundary is known as circumference. So, now we also know that what is a chord. We also know that what is circumference. So, before I discuss about other parts of the circle, I would like to tell you something interesting about chord. First, you tell me. I would like to tell you. Please, now tell me that what is which is chord over here. Over here, what is a chord? Can you see a chord over here? Can you see a chord in the circle? Where is it? Is this a chord? First tell me that what is a chord? We just now discussed. Yes. Any line segments with its endpoints on the circle is a chord. Now, I am giving some points. This point, I am giving this point the letter A, O, B. And this as A, B. Now, can you tell me these two lines? These are two lines over here. Can you tell me which is the chord? Yes, this is a chord. AB is a chord, while AOB is a diameter. So, the interesting fact is that a chord is indicated with 2 points. while a diameter is always indicated with 3 points. Okay, now we have discussed about chord, circumference, diameter, radius and center. Now coming to our next part is an arc. Everybody must have eaten pizza. I am fond of pizza. Now, how do we eat pizza? First we make slices. First we cut it into slices, and then we eat. We enjoy, right? So that those slices are the arcs of that pizza, or we can also say that a pizza is like a circle. It's a circle. It's a circle. Now its slices are its arc. That means an arc is a small portion of the circle, small part of the circle, isn't it? So this is an arc. This is an arc. So an arc is indicated with 3 points. This is an arc. Can you see? This is an arc. Okay. So this is a arc. This is 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 arc. And this is also arc. So an arc is formed when two radii are joined together from the center. Can you see? Radii is the plural form of radius. So when two radii are joined together from the center, and when they go in different directions from the center, then an arc is formed. A small part of the circumference and two radii form an arc. So this is an arc, and it is indicated usually with 3 points. It is indicated with 3 points. Arc is indicated with 3 points. So like this is an arc. I'm giving letters. I'm giving its ends. I'm giving its points some letters. A, B, O. So these are its 3 points. We can change the order of the letters, but we can't change the order of the symbol. We can also do A, O, B, A, B, O, B, A, O, A, B, O. This symbol is used to indicate an arc, and it is always on the top. If you are going to put it at the bottom, then it will be wrong. So this is the symbol which is used to indicate arc, and an arc is always indicated with 3 points. In a circle, the bigger arc is called the major arc, and the smaller arc is called the minor arc. Now I am drawing 2 arcs. Now identify that which is the major arc and minor arc. Now I am giving 3 points. An arc is always indicated with 3 points. I am giving the points letters. I am giving the points some letters. Okay. Now PXQ is the major arc, the longer one, the bigger one. It is the major arc, while QSP is the minor arc. So the arc which is greater in size is the major arc, and the arc which is smaller in size is the minor arc. Thanks a lot for watching this video. For such informative videos, keep watching The Informative World. Please subscribe our channel for daily updates. Thanks a lot.